Get into a car with value. 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this sleek, muscular GLE. Rewarding on every level, its advanced tech offers customized driving modes, digital instrumentation, and driver assist features, while its atmospheric cabin captivates the imagination. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, 360-degree view car camera, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, adaptive cruise control. Iconic luxury plus athletic performance equals pure joy. Feel it in this GLE SUV. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.